Hey everybody, welcome to this Right House Journey. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Comments, let us know what else you'd like to see. If there's something I'm not doing right, let me know. I'm open to criticism. We went out yesterday. We seen on Facebook Marketplace, they had these 3-foot round fire rings on sale. And we're going to use them in our raised bed garden that we're getting ready to build. So we went and picked some up yesterday. I just thought I'd let y'all take a look at them. We picked up 4 of them yesterday. So I'm going to get them out of the truck and into the backyard while it's taking a break from raining here today. And then I got to go pick up a load of firewood. All right. Thanks for watching. God bless. Okay. There's the concrete blocks so far. And there's the 4 3-foot fire ring / raised beds. This is the area here. We're going to build the fence. We're going to start out with 4 4-foot by 4-foot concrete blocks, raised beds, and then we're going to integrate those round ones in there. Again, thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, let your friends know. Help us grow the channel. God bless.